Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video, I'm going to repot my dragon tree, also known as dracaena marginata. So I thought you might like to see what I'm doing here. So this is the dragon tree which I bought last year, and it has been sitting in its nursery pot since then. I have placed it near a windowsill where it gets bright sunlight in the morning, and it is growing out of its nursery pot. So you can see it has got a very vigorous root system and it really needs repotting. So I have got this bit bigger pot which is like an inch deeper than the original pot, and it has some space around the edges as well. So I'm going to repot my dragon tree. So dragon tree is a tropical plant. It is year round evergreen plant and really easy to grow for beginners. It has beautiful green landscape leaves with a dark red trim and a really beautiful accent plant. So I really enjoy looking at this plant every day, and it has grown quite a lot since I bought it, and I think it will really benefit from repotting. As you can see, I had some stones on the top to deter the bugs, so I'm removing my stones so I can take it out of its nursery can and put it in this pot, which is a bit bigger than the original nursery pot. So you can go a little bit bigger but not too much, because it can shock the plant if the pot is too big. Also, I don't want it to grow too much because I have limited space, and if it grows too big it would be hard for me to manage. So you can see this is really root bound. It has grown quite a lot of roots and I need to trim these roots. So I'm going to cut all the roots that are outside the pot, and some of them are really thick, so it may shock the plant for some time, but I think it will recover, as the plants are much more resilient than we think they are. With regards to maintenance, it doesn't need much maintenance. I just gave it a drink of water when it's too hot outside and I see the leaves are drooping a little bit. So I give it a nice drink of water, and that's all. You can feed it like after a couple of months, and I don't want it to grow too big, so I don't feed it. So it needs full sun, so I have kept it close to a windowsill where it's bright sunny in the morning. So as you can see, I'm using my secateurs to trim all the roots that are growing outside the pot. I try to take it out of the pot without disturbing the roots too much, but it's really root bound and it's not possible without me cutting the roots. So I'm going to cut all these roots, and basically I'm going to take this out of this pot, repot it in the bigger pot, and use the multi-purpose compost to fill at the bottom and the sides. And then I will put the stones back on the top and put it in the decorative house plant pot, so it makes a nice accent beautiful house plant and really easy to grow and maintain. So here I'm done repotting my dracaena marginata dragon tree plant, and it's in bigger pot. I have used the decorative houseplant pot, and this is the place where I keep it, near the windowsill where it gets bright morning sun. and it's really beautiful plant. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye.